Hi, my name is Niels from Tile East, and I'd like to welcome you to our booth at the 2018 Coverings in Atlanta, Georgia. If you didn't have a chance to come to this year's show, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce you to our product, the KEIL Concealed Anchoring System. The KEIL Concealed Anchoring System is a product that is used for the attachment of various cladding material for rear rain screen ventilated facade systems. Our anchor has been in use for over 30 years and it's been applied on over 6,000 projects worldwide. I'd like to give you a quick demonstration how simple it is to use our product by simply drilling a hole, attaching the anchor to the cladding material and fastening that to your substructure. I want to start out by explaining to you that our product is very popular because we're able to get into extreme thin materials, starting with a 4 millimeter anchor, going all the way up to a 15 millimeter anchor to achieve a mechanical fastening system. There are no glues and no epoxies involved. The first thing that we want to do is determine the thickness of our cladding material, and for that we will then use a portable machine, a conveyor belt table or a CNC machine to drill the hole into the various materials from porcelain, ceramic, limestone, sandstone, granite, fiber C, and many other products to be used as a cladding product. In this case here at the show, we want to work with our portable machine, and we have already adjusted the proper drilling depth that has been determined by the thickness of the material. In your shop you would use compressed air, and here we want to use a vacuum pump to do this demo. So what we need to do is make sure that the machine is in a stationary position and that it cannot move out of place. We have a drilling process in 2 steps. We will power the machine on. Now we will drill a cylindrical shaped hole into the cladding material, and in the second motion we will create the undercut. The next step in the process is to make sure that we have achieved the right drilling depth. We want to be certain we didn't drill too low or too shallow for our anchor. For that we have used our tool, the depth control gauge, and we will place this into the hole and make sure that we achieve the proper depth of the hole that we drilled. The next step will be that we place our anchor into the hole, and then we take our attachment clip, our bolt, and now we're going to fasten the clip to the cladding material and to the back side. Now we are have a stress-free anchoring system that allows the material to move, but it will not come out. So what we can do now, that we have a product that is extremely well suited for very hot or very cold environment. Also in earthquake zones or in region of the country where we have hurricanes, this system has been approved and it has been used for many years. Once we have attached the clip to the rear of our cladding material, and here we have an example of what that could look like. In this 24 by 24 inch product, we have 4 fixing points with our clips, and they can still move freely in the material but will not come out. We can achieve pull load weights per anchor that range anywhere between 1,500 to 3,500 pounds in a granite material, for instance. The cladding is then taken to the substructure where it is simply hung into place, and with the top clip being an adjustable lockdown, will secure the panel in place. So again, it is a very simple system. Once the substructure has been installed, to take your cladding material, snap it into place, make the proper alignments, and lock it in place for a secure positioning system. This rear ventilated system now allows an airflow to come through the bottom and the top, which will keep your building cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Proper spacing for insulating material as well. Now, for further information, I would recommend for you to go to our website. We have a lot of detailed videos, instructions available, and more information. Visit us at www.tileeast.com or give us a call at our Naples, Florida office. We appreciate your time. Thank you for watching.